In this video, we're going to be building a landing page for Clickbank step by step, and we are going to be using Builderall to build this landing page. So without further ado, I'm Ben. Hey, thanks for hanging out with my channel, Make Simple Income, and let's get into it. So guys, we're going to go over here to Builderall, and what we use in Builderall is called Cheetah. And Cheetah is where we build all our landing pages. See, this is the back office of Builderall. You have all these options. You have your email, DNS, all kinds of stuff. But we're not going to go over that. We're just going to go simple, straight to the point here. So let's build a landing page. So first we got to enter the Cheetah, and what we do once Cheetah loads up, it's very simple, guys. This probably take, I don't know, probably 10 minutes at most here. But we're going to go to create a new site, and I've already chosen a product off of Clickbank. We're going to be using TEDs, so I'm just going to put here for the name of it is TEDs, and I'd like to use a blank template, so we're going to use our blank template. So the first thing we need to do real quick is we need to go to edit page. Excuse me. So we're going to edit our page. We got to go to add, and then we have to go to panels, and we're using a blank panel. So there's our panel. What's nice is with the page, we can drag and drop this page to where we need it right here, so we can extend this as far as we need it here. Alright, so we go over to Clickbank Marketplace. I already pulled up TEDs into my account. Now, one reason why I like using TEDs is because TEDs has a great affiliate page. So if you plan on affiliating TEDs and Clickbank product, they have a ton of stuff here for you. You can tell you what TEDs woodworking, proof of creative conversion, sales funnels, promote, blah blah blah. They give you email swipes, give you all different kind of affiliate links, blah blah blah. So I'm going to go over to the sales page. I'm not using their VSL page. I'm using their just sales page. This is what I'm going to work off to build our bridge page. So this way it's totally congruent with the VSL page. So like one thing we can do here real quick is I use for Chrome is color copier. So I just go on the screen and click it, copies the color to my clipboard, and I can go back over to Cheetah here, and I want to go to the background. So we're going to do internal background, general colors, and background color. We're going to go here and make sure we got it. And Control F. Control, yeah. Control V, sorry. Control F, I don't even know what I'm thinking. Alright, cool. So as you see right now, we totally match. So this is like helping us make our page congruent here, because as you can see now we totally match. So let's move. I'm going to move this tab over to here so we're closer. There we go. And now we need to do some text. So we are going to take this right here, and we're going to change the text. All right, so we want to be congruent, so let's see. No, wrong. We're going to do, let's see, what should we use here? No, I like become. So let's do become a master woodworker. Become a master woodworker. Let's see. Become a master woodworker. Alright, so become a master woodworker. Alright, so that's good. We'll work on that title. So let's become a master woodworker. Now we need to add an element. So we want to put a picture in there. So this is what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to use my Snagit. I'm going to take a picture of that screenshot, which I already took for you guys earlier. So let's do Snagit. Bring up my Snagit thing, and there we go. And let's see, image and capture. So let's capture this image. Come on, mouse. Grab that image, and there we go. All right, look good, guys. Cool. Got the image. Sweet, we're gonna save it. I got a Builderall file, so let's save as Builderall. There we go, save. All right, cool. So now we got the image. Let's go back over to Builderall, go to Cheetah, and we got to go to Add Elements. And let's see, we want to go to an image. So we got two things I want to show you real quick here. We got this image here. Now, if you click on that image, that makes a 3D image. So like when you hover over it, it moves and all that stuff. I just want a straight image, so I'm just going to collect this, take this panel here. And then I'm going to go to here. I want to edit. I want to go to general settings. So I want to change the image. I've already put the image into Builderall here. See, it's pretty easy. Just select file, open up your files. I got the image right here, save on it, open, boom, boom, cancel. So it's already there. Just show you how quick that just links right up to your files on your computer. It's easy, easy. All right, so we're going to highlight it. Okay, good, looks good. Then we're going to hit save. There it is. So the nice part about this is we could take this image now and we're going to drag it out. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. Let's see about that, guys. Here we go. So like I said about this, here we can drag the page down. Make it a little longer. All right, so let's become a master woodworker. Let's see. Become a master woodworker and amaze your friends. All right, sweet. Move this down a little bit. There we go. Amaze your friends. Become a master woodworker and amaze your friends. Let's take this. I want to take master woodworker, and we are going to underline that. There we go. So guys, I think it's got an underline there, right? Yeah, see largest collection. So we kind of see how that, boom, made master woodworking. And we got ours, become a master woodworker and amaze your friends. All right, cool. So now we're going to go down here. We're going to add another text panel. And we're going to go to elements, and then we're going to go to text, and we're going to go to title 2. Just click on that and drag that down here. So now we want to add like a little fluff into it here. So let's see what we have here. So we got this is sales page. This, for the most part, you woodworking, you've spent hundreds of dollars or more woodworking projects. It'll take you a lot longer than you thought. Than you thought, for you might have quit because you've got the measurements wrong. All right, so we can do something like this here. So we'll do, let's take this and write, so we'll kind of like focus on a paint element, like, all right, so that's right. There is nothing worse than searching the internet for half. Let's do incomplete for having to search the internet for hours searching the internet. Let's see, there's nothing worse. Let's see, there's nothing worse than searching the internet for hours only to find half of the plans needed. Half of the plans needed. Let's see, there's nothing, let's see, how's it sound? There's nothing worse than searching the internet. We're gonna screw this out a little bit here. Let's see. I'm gonna stretch this border down here. There we go. Let's put that down further. Scroll down. Okay. So we got that. We want to center this. Let's Is that center? Okay, so there's nothing worse. So we got nothing worse than searching the internet for hours only to find half of the plans needed. So then we're gonna add a button now. Let's go to add for elements, and we're gonna return out here, very simple, and we're gonna add a button. So image, add our button. So there's our button. Let's see, let's go to headline, and then we're gonna go caps, watch this video now. So we got that. We're going to bring this down here. See, and also another thing I want to point out to you guys is a little trick. So you see how my writing here is like V'd, so, and down here it's like V'd. So you always kind of like when you're writing copy, this isn't the best copy. I would spend a lot longer on it, but this just gives you an idea. But when you're doing that copy, you want that V, so it kind of gives you that, funnels you down to where you want your potential customer to go. So we got that. Watch that video now. Let's make this font bigger. Like fill this right up. There we go. Beautiful. Now let's take, I don't like that color, so general colors. Let's make this more like, let's see, probably like that. Excellent. And then we're gonna take, that's good. All right. Now we want headline. We're going to change the text color to, I want the text color to be white. Very simple. And white, if you guys don't know, is simple. It's just always F. They run Fs. There you go. There's your white. Watch this video now. All right, guys. So now we're going to go to, let's add a little action to this button. So we're going to hold this button again. And we are going to, let's see, we have down here, just real quick, animation. Let's go to all time when, time to start effect. So let's go to bounce. We'll do slow, infinite, and then here we go. So now we need to get our affiliate link. So we're gonna go over to Ted's over here. Sorry, blah blah blah. Got all these windows open. So we're gonna go over here, promote. Let's see, generate hop link. Here's my hop link, create hop link. We're gonna copy that. And we are going to go back over to Cheetah, hover over the button, and then we're going to click on the link. Very simple. And select. So there we go, guys. So let's take a look, see how this looks. We're gonna go to save, and then we're gonna preview. That's fine. It's gonna publish it, no big deal. There we go. So Ted's Builderall.com, super fast. Buy another domain at Builderall, not close. Not buying another domain. So there you go, guys. Become a master woodworker. And obviously this button, if they hit on this button, they go right to the our offer. It'll bring them right to the sales page for Ted's. And that's it, guys. I mean, how fast and simple is that? It built a complete landing page step by step. What did it take us? Not even 10 minutes to actually put the step together. So guys, this is Builderall. Please like, subscribe if I helped you guys out. Support the channel if you can. I'm going to put a link below to Builderall. You can get a 1-month trial for $1, or you can get a free 14-day free trial. If you want to check out Builderall, please do. I think you'll be very happy with the tools. They offer so much more. Once again, thanks for hanging out. I'm Ben with Make Simple Income, and we'll see you guys soon.